Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So recently Microsoft announced that all Microsoft consumer accounts now support the use of Passkeys, which means you can access your Microsoft account using your face, fingerprint, or your device's PIN. Now I'll leave that video I posted earlier today in the end screen if you'd like some more info. But in regards to Passkeys, 11 months ago I posted a video that you can now create passkeys for your Google accounts to replace your passwords. And I walked you through the process of how to set up a passkey for your Google account in case you're unaware, if you wanted to replace your passwords. And I'll leave that video as well in the end screen. Now, the reason I'm mentioning that video is because since I posted that video 11 months ago, Google now has recently announced that in less than a year, passkeys have been used to authenticate people more than 1 billion times across over 400 million Google accounts. And the reason I think passkeys are becoming a lot more popular over passwords, there's a couple of reasons why. And I think the first one is that they are easy to use and are also resistant against phishing attacks, more resistant than passwords against phishing attacks. And they also only rely on a fingerprint, face scan, or a PIN, which also makes them 50% faster to use than passwords. And in regards to this, Google has also announced that on a daily basis, passkeys are already used for authentication on Google accounts more often than legacy forms of two-step verification, such as SMS, one-time passwords, OTPs, and app-based OTPs, such as authenticator apps combined. So, as mentioned, I think the reason for that is that the passkeys are becoming a lot more popular than passwords because you don't have to remember a passkey. So there's no more complex passwords, as an example, for you to remember. And I think another draw card, as mentioned, is they are far more resistant to phishing attacks, which obviously these days are a major source of data breaches. And that's because the reason a passkey is more resistant than a password to a phishing attack is because a passkey cannot be intercepted, but a password can be intercepted. So nonetheless, it seems now that both Google and Microsoft are jumping on the so-called passkeys bandwagon. And as I've mentioned earlier today, although passkeys are becoming a lot more popular, as in Google's case, where they have been used more than 1 billion times across over 400 million Google accounts in the last year or so, I still don't think passwords at this stage will be going anywhere. But maybe that will become a reality in the future. We cannot say how long in the future when passwords will disappear, but nonetheless, although passkeys are a popular form now of signing into your different Microsoft and Google accounts, I don't think passwords just yet are going anywhere. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.